Stop motion animation is one of the toughest yet most creative forms of animation. The 2D animation and the stop motion animation is about story generation and making a narrative film. From a creative point of view and a technical point of view, students explore performance, story generation, as well as sound, editing and post-production processes, which is vital for both industry and personal development. Our animation students are part of a thriving creative community. In the workshop, in the classrooms, students can create exciting worlds and thrilling characters. We have the stop motion workshop, which is for fabrication of puppets and sets. And we also have dedicated studio bays with the latest industry lighting and camera equipment. This is a course for those students that want to create worlds, characters and stories that will both inspire their audience and inspire industry.